Fixing this error in the Google Play Store is really easy to do. First thing you do, you open up the Google Play Store and you can go to the search bar once you are logged into your account. Now, once you've actually searched for the app that you're actually trying to get, if we click on it and actually try to get this app, it'll give you this error simply like so. As you can see, how we fix this error is we simply first want to actually leave the app and swipe up and go over to the settings option in your phone right here. Now, when you actually click on the settings option, what you're going to want to do is you want to scroll down until you see the words apps. You click on apps. Now, once you're in apps, you go to manage apps and you actually want to go over to the actual app. And once you've clicked on the app, you simply actually want to turn off this storage option by clicking on storage and clicking on the clear data option. Now, this will basically free up all the space in the app so that we can actually fix this error simply like so. Click on OK. Once you actually clear in cache, clear on OK so you can clear it all. And if we actually go back to this page like so and click on force stop, we can click on OK and actually force stop the Google Play Store app like so. Now, once you've done this, you should be able to open up your Google Play Store just like so. And the next thing you do is you go to your actual icon, your Google account, click on that, and you want to go to payments and subscriptions. Now, when you're on this, you simply want to click on payment methods, and if you click on this, you want to make sure your card is up to date, because if it is not up to date, it will decline and not allow you to actually purchase anything from the Google Play Store. So if we go back here and go into settings on our Google account, click on about, you can actually go down and click on the update Play Store option. Make sure it is fully up to date, otherwise it will give you this error, and click on OK. From here, we simply restart our phone by powering it off like so. And once you've done all of these steps, you should be able to log back onto the store, search for the game of your choice. And as you can see, if we click on the game, it should not give us this error anymore and allow us to work.